Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new QN85B series Neo QLED from Samsung. This is the follow-up to the QN85A from last year. We're going to open up the box, show you what comes inside, and then give our first impressions on the picture, so stay tuned. So here are all the accessories that come in the box with the QN85B. We've got some paperwork on the left-hand side. Moving on, there's the power cord. You've got a slightly updated solar-powered remote control. Then we have the neck of the pedestal along with some M4 by L14 screws. And then finally you have the bottom plate of the pedestal. As you can see, this one gets Samsung's updated Smart Hub built in, which is a great new feature. It also has 4 HDMI 2.1s, just like the QN90B we unboxed the other day. So, picture quality wise, it still looks great. Off-angle viewing on this one, just like the 90, still really good. So we're gonna take a closer look at it in our overview. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.